Hey, boys and girls, welcome back to another edition of Mr. Irish Television. All right, so here we go. Let's start this little puzzle right here by answering this question. Why do girls like guys who wear shirts with 8 buttons? I do not know. So we have to solve each equation below and find your solution at the bottom of the page. Write the letter of that equation above the solution. Okay, so we have E, N, all those ones. So my solutions I'm going to put, so if I get 7, for C, I'm going to put C right there. Okay, I think I understand what's going on. So let's set up our paper first. Woo, right here. Solve an equation with variables on both sides. Part 4. So here's where we got the distribution property. Ooh, distributive property. So, write the date. Today is Friday, 12/10/2021. Nice job. Solve an equation with variables on both sides. Woo! All right, first step, as always, distribute and or, sometimes you have to do both, and or combine like. Second step, we have to get variables on one side of the equal sign, bam, and then what do we have to do? Oh, yeah. Get numbers, write this down, on other side of equal sign, and then solve once you got that. So all those steps, write those down, pause the video if you need. Yeah, okay. So let's check it out. So distribute and or combine like terms. So here, on this side, I have this because I'm not going to combine like terms or distribute over here. So I'm just on this side, I see I have distribution going on right there. So I have a number 4 times these two terms in the parentheses. So 4 times 5n is 20n. 4 times -7, remember that's a -7 is, oh yeah, -28, equals 10n plus 2. Ooh. Okay, so we distributed. We don't need to combine like terms because there's no like terms. Okay, get variables on one side. So I look at 10n and 20n. So the smallest coefficient is the number in front, is 10. So I'm going to subtract 10 on both sides. I could subtract 20n on both sides. I get the same answer, but this sometimes makes it easier. So 20n minus 10n is 10n. Copy the rest of the stuff down. Minus 28 equals 2. Cool. All right. Get numbers on the other side. So I have the variable here. This number's got to go. So opposite of minus 28 is adding 28. Yeah. Woo. So 10n is still over here. 2 plus 28 is, 30. So solve. 10 times what number is 30? That would be, 3. There we go. N equals 3. So on your paper, when you see 3, you put in E, put a 3, put in E right there. Okay, you got it. All right, now let's do another one. Ooh, N. So here's the next one. Write that down. Try and solve this one on your own. Remember, first step, that's my hint. Ready, set, go. All right, let's see what you did. Distribute first, right? Whoop! 9 times x, 9x. 9 times 3 is 27. Ooh, 4x plus 3, write it down. So I distributed first. Do I have to combine like terms? Nope, I'm good. All right, get the variables on one side. So 4 is a smaller coefficient than 9, so I'm going to subtract 4x. Make sure it's right below here. I'm not putting the 4x over here because that's not the like term. I got that. So 5x plus 27, okay. This is 0 equals what, 3? Cool. All right, next I need the numbers on the one side. So I have variables over here, so I want numbers on the other side. So this 27 has got to go. So I'm going to subtract 27. Okay. What do we got? So subtract, so 3 minus 27. Oh, it's minus 3. Did I write the problem down wrong? I think I did. Yeah, it's minus 3. My bad. Minus 3. My bad. Okay. Minus 3. Oh, so that makes sense. So 5x equals, oh yeah, negative 30. I know I wrote the problem down wrong. My bad. There you go. So divide by 5, x equals negative 6. There we go, negative 6. Excellent. There we go. All right, let's do something a little bit more challenging now. This one is h. So n is negative 6. So right here, negative 6. So put an n right there. So now let's do h. Ooh, this one looks a little crazy. Let's do h. All right, here we go. There's h. Put in my notes. 3t plus 8 times the quantity 2t minus 6 equals 2 plus 14t. Woo! All right. So, let's do it. 3t. Distribute here. That's the first thing I always do is distribute on one side. So I have 8 times 2t, which is 16t. Do a little curly q at the end so it's not confused with the plus. Minus 8 times negative 6 is negative 48. And then just copy the other stuff down on the right side because that remains unchanged. Okay. So I distributed. Oh, it looks like I can combine like terms, right? 16t and 3t is 19t minus 48 equals 2 plus 14t. All right, so I distribute here, then I combine like terms. So now I'm back to the basics, right? Getting the x on, or the variable on one side. So 14 is less than 19 as far as the coefficients go. So I'm going to subtract 14t like that. 19t minus 14t is 5t minus 48 equals 2. Now you get the numbers on the other side. Woo. Add 48. 5t equals what? 50. So t equals 5 times what is 50? That would be what? 10. 5 times 10 is 50? Yeah. All right. Let's see. 10. We got the answer on the bottom? Yeah. 10 right there is going to be h. Put an h right there. Now you're on your way. Keep trying to solve the other ones. Great job. Ask the teacher if you need, particularly in I. I is kind of tough. Remember, that's a negative 1 there. Distribute that negative 1. Yeah, for I. Good work, everybody.